guys? Today we're working on Nats WRX. Shout out to Dre. We got some catbacks about to go on. Nice, right? So yeah, we're gonna do a catback exhaust install and basically follow you through. So yeah, let's get right to it. We're gonna give you a quick run through. My boy Matt's here to help us today. He's doing one side, I'm gonna do the other. Matt, let them know what you need.
Well, we got the gaskets right there for the Axleback. We got a 14mm socket. We got a dog bone that has a whole bunch of different sockets. And we got two 14mm wrenches. And we got some WD-40, some gloves, and some drills just in case we need them. But yeah.
All right, we're about to get started. Oh, lit. Oh shit, single exit WRX. Lock it up, lock it up. All right, so you guys couldn't really see it from back there, but right here we're basically unscrewing these screws. So these screws connected to the exhaust, and taking the muffler, unhinging the muffler and putting the Axleback, connecting it to this exhaust right here. Well, this long piece, excuse me. So yeah, I'm almost done. I got that side to do, and yeah, we'll be back.
2 hours later.
It's tighter than my
Almost.
Alright, I gotta do the other side. There's one more on this side now.
Where?
On this side.
Which way is it going?
It's over here. You gotta put your head over here. You can see it. You see it up there?
Oh fuck!
Yeah, it's deep. I hold it. You just gotta.
Eventually.
Yo, bro, come over here. Oh, it's almost out.
I know.
Oh.
Sweet victory. Yay. How was that?
Record, you want to take a video with that shit in your hand?
Here. Get that shit out. Fuck.
Look at this shit, bro. Look at this compared to the other one, bro. It's just a fucking, look at this. Look how much weight reduction.
Really? Arm workout?
Oh yeah. This shit was a fucking bitch to take out. So you basically have to get the first piece out from here, and then you got to get the other piece out from this little black thing over here. Alright, so as previously stated, Matt's attaching the Axleback to the mid pipe. As you can see, this side basically attached all the way to where the muffler was previously, but now it's not there obviously. So yeah, we're getting it right. Hands look like this, so this could look like this. Alright, first start up. Now with the Axleback.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, so now what we're checking for is any leaks, any possible air. Doubt it, but it's
Go
always
step
good
on the
to
gas,
check.
man.
So that was a quick tutorial on, you know, basically muffler delete with the Axleback. How do you like it, Nat? How do you like it?
You like it, I love it.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching again. If you like it, like, comment, subscribe, and leave your feedback. Once again, it's always good for feedback. And more videos coming soon.
Recording? I hit the wrong button.